If you want to change icon shape on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first you need to download the Good Luck app that we can find, for example, in the Galaxy store over here. So essentially you want to write Good Luck and install this app over here. Once you install it, we want to open it. And then over here we need to download an additional plugin that allows us for icon customization. And that is the theme park. We want to press this arrow on the right side in order to download the plugin. Let's wait for the plugin to be installed. And once it is done, we want to tap on it in order to open it. We will need to grant permissions to photos and videos, so press start and press allow all. And now we can go to icon and we can create our own theme for icons. So let's press create new. We can choose the shape for our icons. So let's say I'm gonna choose maybe something like this. And then we can also add the icon color if you want to, as well as the tray. So let's say something like this. And of course you can still disable the tray or color if you want to. After that, what you need to do is press this download button. We need to set the name for the icons pack. And then let's go, press OK, and let's wait a couple of seconds for the pack to be created. And now we can select our icon pack and press apply. And there we go. Now we have custom icon shapes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.